Today, I'm going to show you the pore care that I've been doing recently. I often touch my face with my hands. Remove the nose sebum completely without nose strip. Do your best to exfoliate properly. Wash with warm water to open the pores and finish with cold water so that the pores are tight. Are you guys doing one of this? Stop that You're making your pores bigger. 안녕하세요. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is cyounginyou. Today's topic, pores. Pores are everybody's concern, regardless of your age, gender. I want to minimize pores. At least I want it to make it less visible. So that's why so many people, including me, do the take my money to the cosmetic companies, buy the pore eraser serum, pore minimizing any essence or stuff. I don't think that works. If that's working, I think that company will become already super millionaire. But still, we can do something else at home without doing take my money. So today, I'm going to share with you guys how to take care of your pores without spending money. Let's get started. Pores have been around since birth, but there is an event that widens in life. Why are they getting bigger? Two reasons: active sebum secretion and aging. The pores are the holes through which oil comes out. If there is a lot of oil, it tries to come out, so the hole will increase. Usually happens in teenager. In addition, as you get older, pores sag in the direction of gravity, resulting in pores like vertical wrinkles. If we can control these two, we can diminish appearance of the pores. First and foremost, take a fundamental look at three things: stress, sleep, and food management. These are the top three causes of acne in adults too. And let me correct your bad habits. You can't see it on your hands, but there are countless germs. So if you touch your face like that, you want germs, right? The nose strip has an adhesive, so if you repeat it frequently, the skin will be irritated, and in a long term, it will weaken the skin barrier and consequently make pores bigger. Please don't exfoliate too often. Once a week or less, that would be better. It irritates your skin even if it's too warm or too cool. Use lukewarm water. Then, how can you take care of sebum at home without irritating your skin? This is the way to use it at cyounginyou Inspiration Salon, where a lot of K-pop stars and Korean celebrities go. Especially before putting makeup on the groom, black cats are not clean, so now is the time to remove the seeds from the strawberry nose. All I need is cleansing oil and Q-tips. If you're reluctant to oil, try your moisturizer. Take the oil out in a small container and put 2 Q-tips in to soak. Roll Q-tips around the nose, forehead, chin, and front cheeks where there is a lot of sebum. They go through emulsification with water. Q-tips are effective when using narrow areas such as the side of the nose. I use Mixun cleansing oil. It's lighter than other cleansing oils, so I recommend it to people who are new to oil. It's good to use every day because it cleanses well enough to remove full makeup and is affordable. It's gentle and leaves my skin smooth. I like the scent, but this one varies greatly, so please refer to it for those who are sensitive. You can see pores get clean and less visible after deep cleansing. And what I'm going to introduce this time is Level 2 Pore Care products. It's an ingredient that's proven to be effective by journals from National Institute of Health. It's retinol. I don't recommend anybody who has a really sensitive and who has breakouts right now. Use it when your skin feels better. I used it when I was dry and sensitive skin and my face was red and skin peeled off for a few days. However, this product is gentle enough for beginners to use. It contains 0.015% retinol. It's right that there's a very small amount of content in it. If you apply this consistently for 6 months or a year, you will see pores getting smaller and skin also becomes smoother. If you're too afraid to try retinol, I recommend try a small amount, mainly from the nose area. And if you feel okay, you get a little broader until the whole face. Apply retinol, cover it with enough moisturizer, and make sure to apply sunscreen. The second reason why pores are growing is aging. So how can we slow down? First, sunscreen. Other cosmetics have a lot of debate about their efficacy, but sunscreen, so simple, block the sun. What a great invention. Everybody has a sunscreen rolling at the table at somewhere. Just grab it and apply it. That's it. 5 or 10 years later, it's a habit that you get Botox on your face every day. Second, moisturizer. If you wash your face every day and leave your skin alone, the moisture will evaporate and your face will dry out. This will accelerate your aging, right? You probably apply your moisturizer morning at the nighttime, but you don't have to only put twice. When you feel dry and you're at home, you don't put the sunscreen, you can apply your moisturizer, add 1 more layer, 2 more layer every 3 or 4 hours. Okay, that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. In conclusion, so for the pore care, back to the basic, moisturizer and then sunscreen, and already blackheads or something so visible, you can take care with by doing deep cleansing. So for bonus, you can try a little retinol. So that's the one reason I started this YouTube channel. Since I worked at the broadcaster and then did tried it so many cosmetics, take my money for a long time, and then I realized that okay, the basic, we need this. I got too much trials and errors, but you guys, my beloved, my precious subscribers, stay at the room and watching my YouTube. So save money and save time. Go straight to the shortcut. Okay? Hopefully this video also helped. Before you leave, you guys know what to do, right? Subscribe and then like me, and then don't forget to notification bell so you don't miss out the next video. Thank you so much for coming, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! 안녕! 안녕히 가세요.